Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am sharing with you a very interesting DIY project that I wanted to try for quite a while. I've seen this idea on Pinterest and I wanted to recreate it. Let me show you a picture really quickly. So this is the picture that I am inspired by. A whole bunch of PVC pipes cut in pieces and combined together into a backdrop like this. I found this picture on Pinterest. It was posted by Mary Lewis. I'm not sure if that's the actual creator. If you're an actual creator or you know who made this specific backdrop, let me know. I will give a proper credit to the actual creator of this backdrop. Everything that I will be using today will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. Also, a link for my Amazon storefront will be in the description under this video as well. Don't forget to check it out. I am often adding new things that I've been testing, buying, using for my videos, for my setups. So yay to that. All right, you guys, without any further ado, let's go. So, leaving the house, locked the door. It's currently raining. We are leaving to Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those stores, to pick up some of the pipes, PVC pipes, for our backdrop project. Excited to know how that's gonna turn out. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be amazing. Kids, say hello.
Hi.
All right, let's go to my father's house, to my parents' house. He's taking his truck and we're going on the truck because I'm not gonna fit every single pipe that I need for this project in my Audi. There is no way. Now I need to decide which size I need. And they are 582. I'm grabbing them just to fill in spaces in my backdrop if it's needed to be. Changing our mind. Half an inch, I have 7. 1 inch, I have 7 of these. 2 inches, I have 3 pipes. 3 inches, 2 pipes. Made it back home. Let's unload. Okay, this is the thing that we are going to try to cut our pipes with. It's like a saw right here and it's electric. My dad found it at the junkyard. Basically the process of the whole cutting, nothing really interesting. The most interesting part is this little gadget over here. So let us cut and I'll be back. No! All right, we are starting to construct our backdrop. I am using this long piece of foam. It's about like 6 feet tall. This foam came from Home Depot or Lowe's. You can find it there. This is just a regular insulation foam board. I have this at about like 6 inches wide, 5 inches wide, and I'm going to be using that as a guide to glue all of my PVC pipes to. I debated what I wanted to use, either wood pieces or my husband suggested foam. Why not? Just for that aesthetic look on the side, like on the picture that I showed you a little bit earlier. So I'm trying the hot glue first. If it's not going to work, I would have to think of something different. I hope it's going to work. And gluing this on. Okay, it looks like it's holding very secure, so that's good. So let's keep going. I don't know how wide I want to make it. Let's just glue some pieces on and we'll see where and when I want to stop. The base is done. It's looking very cute. I really love it. Now, still deciding on the width of this thing. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more over here to extend it a little bit. And if I'm not going to be having enough pipes, I still have like 4 pipes to cut back at my dad's house, so I can always have more. Or I'm gonna make kind of like a cascading PVC battery switch. So I was saying that if anything, I will have kind of like a cascading sort of like wavy look to this wall to stretch out the PVC pipes. Really don't want to go back to the store and buy more. Wow, it's gonna take me longer than I expected. Flipping this backdrop and constructing more of it, I understand why on the picture on this side they had a piece of wood instead of a foam. Foam works okay, but you never know where you're gonna push the next pipe and how far it's gonna lean to the side. So now if we look at it upright, I don't know if you can see here, but it goes straight and now it's leaning this way because I pushed this bigger piece a little way too far. So now it's like holding the whole thing a little to the side. So make sure when you're constructing, you have wood. I think I'm done. I don't think I'll be gluing anymore because I like the shape of this backdrop so far and I don't want to ruin it because it's a possibility. So now my husband's right there. Wave, hello. He's gonna paint this structure. Now we need to move it. It's not comfortable to move this thing because it's heavy, and as I said, this foam is not working and it's not doing any good to this backdrop. Let us move this and we'll start painting. Thanks. So backdrop is in the garage. It's 9 p.m., almost 9 p.m. right now. We painted this beauty at around 5 p.m. So we wanted to leave this backdrop outside to dry. It's fully dried. Now we need to finish this up real quickly on this side because the whole backdrop was laying on the side while my husband was painting pipes. So I asked my husband to paint this backdrop a very white paint because it looks so good when it's snow white, not with like a yellowish tint to it. White is perfect. I'm gonna ask him which paint he used. Oleg, which paint did you use?
There's a can in there.
There's a can in there, but we're asking you.
It's super paint, exterior satin.
All right.
White.
Yes, white. I'm excited to beautify this beauty tomorrow with flowers. You guys, you can tell that he's doing this for a living. I would have just went once with the roller and that's all. Nope, he insists on a second coat. Thanks, hon.
You're welcome.
Should I ask you more?
What do you mean for more?
More paint jobs? Should I give it to you?
Sure.
Okay. Don't say sure, because I'll definitely give them to you. All right, this is the next day. The backdrop is looking beautiful. I had to put some cardboard underneath because our driveway is slightly slanted, so that's why you might see some of the cardboard out there. I decided to go with like fall-ish colors and fall feelings because it's time. It's August, September is super near, and fall is coming. So here is what I want to do. So the stems of these flowers are super long, so I want to at least bend them in half so they would not show in the bag as much. And we'll insert right into our pipes. This is my final setup. I absolutely love this idea, you guys. I love how everything looks together. I love these circles. I love different sizes of these pipes right here. I'm just like mesmerized by this. But this DIY is probably my biggest learning point of all times, and I don't know, I can't really label this as a successful DIY, even though I love how everything looks, but I would have done so many things differently now. First things first, I would never use a foam board right here, because this section needs to be solid hard and needs to hold your pipes in line. This thing can't bend like mine. As you can see, it goes straight and it curves inside, which is not a good idea. Also, buses driving by. I spent over $150 just on pipes. You guys, I think it's a little bit expensive in my opinion. It looks amazing, don't get me wrong, but it's super heavy. I barely dragged this thing from these garage doors to the spot over here. It's heavy. I would probably go on the internet and find something lighter in weight and try with other material other than pipes, because pipes, yes, they look awesome, they are thick, they are durable, but I don't think it's a good idea because you will be having a hard time dragging this thing around. I would never use a hot glue gun for these pipes. I knew that would be a problem because the surface of pipes are very smooth and kind of like glossy, and hot glue doesn't hold very good. It holds certain sections very well, but me dragging this thing constantly back and forth, and this section is heavily like filled with pipes, it weighs down. Pipes started to unglue, so you can see right here, this one's moving, this section is moving right here. So the main structural disaster on this backdrop was right here. So if you would go for pipes, I would probably suggest to rough the surface of your pipes, put glue on that rough surface, and then where that glue will touch the other pipe, you need to rough the surface right there as well, and then glue it. By roughing the surface of your pipes, it will create more grip to the glue on those pipes, and it will hold much better. If I would do this all over again, I would not glue my pipes and paint it. I would paint every single pipe separately and then glue everything together. Why? Because I still find spots on my pipes where I can see the lettering, the numbers. I know that you can't really see those letterings, those numbers, but that bugs me. I know they're there, and it's just it's hard on me to know that they're there. Anyways, one more time to look at this beauty. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed this DIY. So really quickly, wanted to show you how everything looks in the back. So these are the flowers that are sticking out. So what I would suggest is, instead of bending them, cut them, and leave about like an inch of a stem, because when you're going to be inserting the flower, that stem will stick out a little bit, and when the head of the flower will weigh down up front, that stem will catch right there on the end of the pipe. So that's another tip for you. Also, flowers that I used for this decor, I got at Hobby Lobby, all of them. Every single flower came from there. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you are planning to make this DIY for your next event. I'm very interested. If you follow me on Instagram or any other social medias, please tag me if you would decide, and if you made that backdrop, I would love to see all of your pictures and beautiful creations with this idea. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great inspirational ideas. Also, if you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out, and I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I'll see you back very soon. Bye!